Good evening. We're going to discuss the total quality management and an introduction to the culture of continuous improvement. Kaoru Ishikawa is a key pioneer who shaped total quality management because they introduced the so-called company-wide quality control, the Ishikawa diagram, or the root cause analysis. Likewise, he also introduced the quality circle in the workplace. Kaoru Ishikawa introduced the company-wide total quality system that includes all stakeholders from the upstream procurement of raw materials down to production and logistics. The productivity and quality issues between an American company, Ford Motors, and Toyota Motors of Japan. In Ford Motors, a production worker can assemble 2 engines per day, while in Toyota, an employee can assemble 9 engines per day. This is a productivity issue between these two management system. On quality issue, the defect rate in Ford Motors, for every 1,000 cars, there are 10% reworks, which is equivalent to 100 units of car. Toyota, out of 1,000 units, they have only 9 units defective. Productivity issue, Toyota is better than Ford Motors. In quality issue, the quality level at Toyota is higher than Ford Motors. The total quality management system is presented or organized by Toyota Production System. The Toyota Production System builds a system that learns faster than competitors. Toyota Production System is composed of 3 factors of just-in-time, Kaizen, and Jidoka. Just-in-time does not mean speed.